Hi guys, I just want to answer this question here quickly. What's PWI? Okay, PWI is an abbreviation for Prestige Wealth Investments. So if you have not been watching my journey, I've been sharing my journey for so long on my TikTok here and on all my social media platforms. I've been sharing my journey so far with Prestige. So I share my screenshots, I share everything about the company and the transparency about the company. So Prestige Wealth Investments is an investment platform. It's an investment company which is located in the UAE, Dubai. And what they do is the CEO is Mr. KM Monareng. What he does is he's got a whole team there, and they take our investments or a portion of our investments, which is just about 5%, they take it and they trade with it. He has AI robots also, which he's created himself. Okay, so they take 5% of our investments, they trade with it into Forex, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and so on. And then they pay us a profit, a daily profit between Monday to Friday. So between Monday to Friday every week for 15 months, we get profits. Now, what do we do in order to get into this company? We buy a package. Basically, we are not going in there and doing the trades ourselves. The company trades on our behalf. We just buy a package, anything from 6,000 and above. $300 and above. So you can buy a package for 6,000, you can buy a package for 20,000, you can buy a package for 100,000, 500,000, 1 million, 10 million. It's all up to you how much of a package you want to buy and the type of profits that you want to get out as well. Okay. So for an example, if you buy a package for 100,000, you will get 22,000 rands a month for 15 months. So it's a 15-month contract. So within that 15 months, you will make 300,000 rands. You will get 300,000 rands in profit. Now, I spoke about this before when people were asking what does the company does the company guarantee us anything, and because people have lost before, and there are companies that come in and they do scam and they do run away, and they do come in for a little while and they run away, and we all have had this experience before. But with Prestige Wealth, this is a regulated company. It's a company that is regulated. It does have an FSP in South Africa. It does have a registration. It does have a license for trading and for trading and investments, which is in the UAE. And for here, South Africa, they have an FSP license for, it's like a service information desk. That's what it is, meaning it gives us, the affiliates, what can I say? Gives us, the affiliates, permission to be able to share the business, to guide clients on how to use the system and how to invest within the company. Okay, so this is a regulated company. It's a safe company to invest into. So the company has been around since May this year. It has not launched as yet. There is already hundreds of millions of dollars already invested into the company. People have already seen a lot of profits, a lot of withdrawals. Because the system itself is such that you cannot just reinvest your profits directly on the system. You have to withdraw. So every day that you're making profits, and then just say now you want to reinvest the money, you have to withdraw the money in order to reinvest. So we can withdraw Monday to Friday, anytime Monday to Friday we can withdraw. So there isn't anybody that can say that they can't withdraw from their Prestige Wealth investments from their account. But basically, this is what it is. You buy a package and you get profits every day. Like I made an example, if you buy a package for 100,000, you'll get 22,000 rands a month. It's about 1,000 rand a day, Monday to Friday, and the contract period runs for 15 months. Now, the person who has responded to one of my posts here, I also spoke about compounding. If you buy a package for 1 million, you will get 200. I think it's 240,000 if I remember quite clearly. It's about 220. I think it's 220 or 240,000 rands a month. And if you if you buy a package for 1 million, rands, you will get 3 million in this 15 months. But you can turn it into something bigger. That's why I said you can make 15 million, because if you reinvest over a few months, if you reinvest 5 to 6 times through this 15 months or within this 15 months, in this 15 months, if you reinvest a couple of times, you can turn that 3 million or that 1 million into like 15 million. Okay, I haven't done a compound strategy for it, but I do have a simple strategy. If you want to have a look at that, you can go through my post. I did share it before with the explanation from one of the leaders. Okay, so but that's basically it. We buy a package and we get profits every day from it. It's a safe company. There's a lot of transparency. There's presentations Monday to Thursday. On Fridays, there's training on the system. The CEO even did a surprise Zoom meeting with us last week to let us know what's going on over this December period. Remember, the trades are not good during the December period. A lot of companies even close, but Prestige Wealth is not going to close during this time. They are going to pay out. They are going to work as hard as they can through the trades in order to pay out profits to investors during this time. So yeah, I mean, like, there's a lot of transparency. You can see that the CEO comes in once a month to give us information on the company, where the company is at, what's going on, what the goals are. The company, it launches. There's a launch happening in Durban in 2026, end of March, and that launch will allow VIP members to attend. And also, as a VIP member, you will also get a course from Mr. K.M. Monitoring himself. You will get a course into trading. You will get to learn about trading, and there's no better person than him to learn trading from, because he's just so good with it. I mean, this company is already so successful before the launch can even take place. But yeah, if you have any further questions, you can come to my WhatsApp. You can send me a WhatsApp. I will send you a PDF document. You can register. You can go through the PDF document. You can watch presentations for now, and you can do your research as well on the company. Guys, sometimes we just look at something and we think, oh, it's too good to be true. But first, do your research on that specific company. Do your research first before you just jump the gun, before you just lose an opportunity that's sitting right in front of you. I cannot even tell you how many people in this month have lost out on the opportunity of earning. So there was somebody, I think it was 2 weeks ago, who wanted to, it was one of my client. She wanted to invest 100,000, and then she changed her mind and said no. She's going to wait, and she's going to watch, and she's going to see what's going to happen and whatever. Remember, while you're sitting and you're waiting and you're watching, you are busy losing out 22,000 rands a month. So let's not be also silly people. Just do your research. Don't sit and wait to watch everybody else. Go out there, do your research. Do your due diligence on the company. Get your facts, because once you see the facts, once you do your research, you're going to see that this is a legit company. You're going to see that they are registered, that the licenses are all valid, and this is a safe company for you to invest into. That even the guarantees that they speak about, 95% of your initial investment is guaranteed, meaning if anything does go wrong, they will pay you back that 95% of your initial investment. They only trade with 5% of your investment, guys, not the whole amount. So those are, and also they also guarantee you your ×3, which means in this 15 months they are guaranteeing that if you buy a package for 100,000, you will get paid 300,000 within this 15 months. Okay, the thing that they don't guarantee us is daily profits, because today the trades may be good, tomorrow it might be bad. So today we will get profits, tomorrow we might not get, the next day we might get double or triple. But what they're guaranteeing is that within this 15 months you will get your entire investment. The full amount will pay out within this 15 months. Okay, I'm running out of time now. I can't explain any further, but guys, please send me a WhatsApp if you need more information. And also I want to say have a blessed season.